How's everyone doing today? My name is CJ Halleck with FreeWebDesignTutorial.com, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps to create a Gmail address. Now, in the previous video we found the perfect name for our business using Noam and HostJack together to get the ideas and to make sure that you're good on all social media platforms. You have a .com available and the trademark, and there's no trademarks on that name. So since we have that name, we're going to actually go in and create the tbflabs@gmail.com. I'm currently logged in under this browser, so I'm going to go ahead and go to an incognito window so it doesn't actually pull up my Gmail. So we're going to start off by going to gmail.com, and it's going to ask you to sign in. We're going to come down here and click create account, and then now you're just going to put in your information. So we're going to do CJ Halleck. And then we're going to fill this in. It's going to be tbflabs@gmail. I'm going to click off, make sure it doesn't say that it's taken. And if you're going through this process and the username is taken, you can either change it here or you can go back to the Noam page and try to find one that's available on the Gmail as well as all this other stuff. So while I have this over on the other page, I'm going to go ahead and put in a password. And confirm my password. Alright, so now that I have that, we're going to bring this over. And when it comes to your passwords, you want to make sure that that it's not, a birthday, it's not, your favorite car. It's, you want to make sure that it's very, very complex, with as this says, a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols, exclamation marks, hashtags, asterisks, stuff like that, and make sure that it's, a decent length. I would use somewhere around probably 10 to 12, just, as far as 10 to 12 characters. Make sure it's hard so it's not easy for people to guess, and keep in mind that if you're doing a word and you're just trying to change out like I's for ones or exclamation marks and @ signs for A, like the people who hack into accounts are thinking that too, and that's what they're using. So don't just do, cat lover and have the A and a @ sign, and O a 0, and the E a 3, right? You want to make sure it's more complex than that. So now that we have that, we're going to click on next. And then it's going to ask for your phone number, a recovery email address, and your birthday, gender, all this stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and do the recovery email. It's going to be cjhalleck@gmail.com, which is my main email address. Birthday, February 17th, 1982, gender male. All right, and then you're going to, the phone number is optional. I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and then I'll come down here and click next, but I'm going to go ahead and put that in over on the other screen. And then come down and click next. And this is going to basically verify your phone number in the next screen. See if I can do this without showing. Alright, so that's about all I can show you guys, because it has my phone number listed. So basically it's going to say verify your phone number. And what it's going to do is it's going to send you a text message with a 6-digit code. So we're going to go ahead and click send. And then on your phone, it will send you a text message with your code. And then you just simply punch that code in. So we'll punch that in now. And click verify. All right, next step. You'll want to come down and, choose how you want to do it. I'm going to go ahead and click skip. Privacy policy. We'll go down, agree. And you should be good from there. We'll wait and see and double check. But that should be the complete steps to creating your Gmail address. Now, don't worry if you're a little concerned about the professional appearance of using a Gmail address and you want something that's Like for instance, where I'm doing the tbflabs.com, you may want to have, info@tbflabs.com. We're going to cover that in a later video, and then we're going to come back into our Gmail account and actually show you how to sync that so it will actually import all the emails, and you can send emails and everything else from Gmail using that email address. So that being said, hope everybody has enjoyed the video. If there's anything I can do for you, please feel free to comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell for notifications. That being said, my name is CJ Halleck with CJHalleck.com. Have a good one. Be great. Stay boosted. We'll catch you in the next video.